Their escape was nothing short of a miracle from a burning airliner which burst into flames after a collision at Tokyo's Haneda airport. 379 people were on board the Japan Airlines Airbus A350, with just a handful of the passengers suffering minor injuries after escaping the flames down inflatable slides. The jet was coming into land when there was a collision with a Coast Guard plane. 5 people on board the smaller craft died.
The moment of impact. A Japan Airlines plane with more than 370 passengers on board skids down the tarmac at Tokyo's busiest airport after colliding with a smaller plane operated by Japan's Coast Guard. Inside the Airbus, chaos as passengers see heat and smoke billowing from an engine. And in the terrifying moments that follow, the plane finally comes to a stop. "Get me out," she screams, as passengers panic. Within moments, and as the cabin fills with fumes, inflatable slides are released, allowing hundreds of passengers and crew to scramble to safety, miraculously unharmed.
I was wondering what happened, and then I felt the airplane tilted to the side at the runway, and I felt a big bump. The flight attendants told us to stay calm.
I can only say it was a miracle. We could have died if we didn't evacuate at that point.
A huge fire quickly takes hold and overwhelms the passenger aircraft. And then this. Those on board the second plane were not as fortunate. 5 of the 6 people aboard died, although the pilot escaped. The aircraft was traveling to Ishikawa near the epicenter of a 7.6 magnitude earthquake that struck Japan just over 24 hours earlier. It was carrying food, and the crew were preparing to help with the rescue effort.
Authorities here at Haneda Airport deployed around 100 fire trucks to try and control the blaze, and it took more than 6 hours. Experts are saying that it's because of Japan's strong safety record and its training of its staff that the crew were able to respond so effectively in time.
We will work with the Transport Ministry to determine the cause of the accident. The scene needs to be preserved for that, but we'll try to get airport operations going as quickly as possible.
Investigators will be desperately looking for answers as to how 2 planes were on the runway at the same time. An extraordinary moment, but coming so soon after a powerful earthquake, Japan finds itself facing 2 tragedies in as many days. Suranjana Tiwari, BBC News, Tokyo.